First, we need to rescrew this screw from this part, and then we can remove the cartridge here, and then we go to this mainboard cover. We rescrew this screw on the mainboard, and then take out this one, and then we go to here. We take peel off this sticker here, peel off a little, and then pull it to the right side. Pull it to the right side, and you can take out this part. And then this ink tube can be unlocked, and you can take out the cartridge from here and replace the new one. Go through from here, and go to here, and go to on here like the original position, and put the cartridge inside again. After you put the ink tube, make sure it is same length when you go to this end. Make it same length and make it flat and tidy here, and then put back this part again from here. You see, here is the lock part, here another lock part. Make it go inside. It will be locked inside, and then put the sticker here again. That's all.